When concrete equipment stops, production slows and project schedules are affected. MR Engineering Ahmedabad has been serving the concrete equipment industry since 2002. We manufacture and supply reliable aftermarket spare parts for concrete pumps, batching plants, and transit mixers. Our product range includes concrete delivery pipes, heavy duty bands, clamps, and couplings, spectacle plates, cutting rings, pistons, rams, seals, and other wear parts, mixer shafts, arms, housings, and mechanical assemblies, along with PLCs, industrial sensors, electrical controls, and pneumatic components. We support RMC plants, construction contractors, equipment workshops, service teams, and spare parts dealers. For correct identification, customers can share the machine make and model, part number, dimensions, drawings, or clear photographs. This helps reduce fitting errors, delays, and repeat procurement. From routine maintenance requirement to critical breakdown spares, our focus is practical quality, competitive pricing, responsive communication, and dependable dispatch. Customers can source products across several concrete equipment categories from one experienced supplier. Dealer inquiries, repeat orders, and quantity based requirements are welcome. We serve buyers across India, and export inquiries are welcome from United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia, Oman, Qatar, Kuwait, Bahrain, and the wider GCC region. For a faster quotation, please send the required quantity, machine details, part photographs, and delivery destination. Contact MR Engineering, a slash 8 Maruti Industrial Estate opposite Naroda Fire Station, Naroda Road, Ahmedabad, Gujarat, India. Call or WhatsApp Rakesh Shah on +91 922 7222 188. MR Engineering, reliable concrete equipment spare parts from Ahmedabad, serving India and international markets.